Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Basically, this is a video on one of my ECONSTYLER gels reviews. So yes, previously I used the black castor oil with flaxseed oil, and then I used the coconut oil. And so today is a continuation, and today I'm going to be using the ECONSTYLER gel. It's the crystal on one side of my head, and then I'm going to be using the ECONSTYLER gel argan oil on the other side. So this is just to compare and see which one is better for my hair and see which one I like the best. And as you can see, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and it is ready to go. Okay guys, my hair is sectioned into 4, and I'm going to work with the back first. And just to remind you guys, we will be using the crystal ECONSTYLER gel on the left side, and we will be using the ECONSTYLER gel and argan oil on the right side. So just bear with me and we're going to get started. So at this time, my hair has dried up a little bit, so I'm just going to re-wet it with some warm water. I like to do all my wash and goes with wet hair. I don't know why, it just comes out better that way. So and you just want to start all the way at the roots and massage it all the way down to your ends. This product is a little bit heavy. Okay guys, we're going to start on the other side, and we're going to be using the argan. I can't say a word for nothing. We're going to be using the argan oil on this side. And so I'm going to re-wet my hair because it's dry now. Okay guys, I am back and I let it dry for a little bit. It's not all the way dry, but this is how it looks. I'm just gonna remind you guys, this side was the Crystal EcoStyler gel on this side, and on this side was the Argan Oil EcoStyler gel. And I'm not really sure on which one I like the best. They pretty much look the same. So yeah, this is how it looks. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. I have many more videos to come in the future. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye guys.